Greetings to everyone. Sanibonani, Dumelang. I am Nosibusiso Masinga. Ngikhona ngaphansi kwebandla iKhala Abangcwele Ministries ngaphansi leadership uBab Bishop Inzunza noMam Bishop Inzunza, also known as Mom Press. Welcome to my top 10 essentials for Passover. Ipasiga. So here we are. So I will start with the very crucial item, of which is the Bible. This one is very important because angithi thina ePasikeni sifunda amazwi ayisikhombisa. So kubalekile ukuthi mawufunda amazwi ayisikhombisa ube neBhayibheli lakho, ungalokhu uqalaza umakhelwa sungazulule kumqala ke manje. Uphathele iBhayibheli lakho. This one is very important, I don't want to lie. So this is very important to carry your own Bible. Then the next item will be iPurse. iPurse is thandazami. iPurse, you must carry your own what? Your own cash. So that uzokwazi ukunikela. Angithi sineza wonke siyanikela. Masotweni nje siyanikela. So you must make sure to cash it unawo. Then ube nani? Ube necard. Ungamkhohlwa lo. Card liyadingakala. Angithi lapha siyazi ukuthi kumele sithenge ama-snacks. And ethingezayo ave sithandana Nkosi yami. The way sithandana ngayo, sithandana ukuthi angeke uze ukhona ukudla kukhona omunye ongahle. Ngeke ngibone lapha esontweni mase sizehlala phansi sidle sonke sinikezane. Kuyavele kucaca ukuthi no siyingane zandawonye. So Facts. Wenza sure ukuthi ikhadi kuphethe so lesizothenga ama-snacks udle nozakwenu. License kwiPurse yakho kumele kube nanani ne-license.
Take it easy, dog.
So that uma udrive ukuthi ni-travela i-long distance, udrive usekhathele ungene umbambele. Awonje mina ngizonze sure ukuthi ngekhathe yami so that udrive masesekhathele ngoba sobe travel long distance. Mase sekhathele ngimbambele mina mathupha ngidrive. So that's abazalwane bezofika be right, be safe. The next item is tripod. Content creators, they know very well ukuthi sila tripod. Angithi siyazi ukuthi content abesithanda ukuposta ama-video ePhasika. So kumele size sure ukuthi nje sithenga lo sifike naye ePhasikeni khona sizothatha i-content top notch. We have this one, toiletries, and this one is very important guys because awukhona phela ukuthi manje uzoboleka ama-toiletries abantu. No, you must bring your own. And you must siba nalo. Yabona ningamshilo bazalwane. Yabona lo ubalekile. Because awudingi ngisho nanokuthi uzophasa isaka. Yabona nje uvele ufakele ama-gloves akho then ugeze. Eka unomjuluko, ukhathele, wageza ngalo ngathi magic. Once nje wageza nalo uzovele uvuke qinqo. Uzothuya nje enkonzweni sebusuku wena ufresh kuzoba sengathi awukazi uzungena enkonzweni yasemini ngoba uphathelo wageza ngayo. So guys, just make sure ukuthi you carry this one so that uzoba fresh. Then the next important items are this one. You must make sure that you carry these stuffs because we know very well ukuthi siyathanda ukuthatha content, right? So kumele wenze sure ukuthi phone yakho inayo i-charger, inayo i-twin plug, inayo i-power bank. Kwesinye isikhathi kuyenzani ukuthi uthathe i-content kuvele kuphela ibele. So mawunalo akudingi ukuthi umfake e-charging, uyobumamba ngesandla ubuthatha i-content yakho. Lana kumele wenze sure ukuthi i-adapter unayo, twin plug kumele ube nayo. Khona ungeke ulokhu ucela ukucharger ngama-adapter abantu. Umuntu akaziphathele, asenze sure bangcwele. Ngiyanicela senze sure ukuthi sinawo lama-item wokugcina. Okay, then sizela. For nje ukuthi ube warm. Benze sure ukuthi warm. Jacket ngisho ngaphatha 2, yabo mina nje ngizophatha 2. Ngisho ukuthi ephasikeni ngina 2. So that mase ngibona ukuthi ikhazi selisho ngempela ngithathe lo ofudumele. Mase ngibona ukuthi ayilingcono. Phela ngithathe lo. Emese uthola ini? Intro yakho wenze sure ukuthi uyambatha. Yabo nje ungasho ukuthi ngiye ephasikeni ngagodola. Cha, benza sure nje ukuthi ucovered. Ufika netro yakho, ufika nama-jacket akho, phathe ne-comfort yakho, wenze sure nje ukuthi wena ikhaza alikutholi ephasikeni. Then bese siba nomgaqo nesipeleto. Umgaqo awuhambiselani nesipeleto. Ake siyazi bese ukuthi umgaqo balekile sizogada. So make sure that you bring it on. Unaso isipeleto. Ungaboleki abantu ipeleto wonke umuntu uselekhetha isipeleto esanele yena. So let's make sure ukuthi you have your own isipeleto. Then another important item is the party card, the awareness card. Very, very important, and especially for us as youth. That part is very, very exciting for us. So this is feel that when you must see bam, Then we have standing cup for water. So you must carry your own standing cup to stay hydrated all the time. And sharp. So it's better to bring your own standing cup so that it's so done with to avoid is pity. Phatha nje standing cup sakho, faka amanzi akho, ube sharp. Danko. Then the last item is suitcase. This one is very, very important because I need thina siyadash. So ingubo zethu kumele iqondise ukuthi let's travel long distance. So yabo ingubo zakho uma uyifaka i-suitcase, hawa ishunga ngo Saturday izobe isaqonde iThekwini. Mara mawufaka isikhwameni iyashwabana, so you just make sure ukuthi same suitcase mnabane so that ingubo zakho zizoqonda kuze kushaye uSaturday. So that's my top 10 essentials for Passover. After all, the most important thing to remember is to respect each other. 1 Peter verse 2 says, show proper respect to everyone. Love the family of believers. So, asibonisaneni uthando bazalwane, asibonisaneni irespect, hlonipha omncane nomdala. Ngisho ngathiwa khona umuntu ofikile onivakashelile eziviziswa kwelinye ibandla, mtshengiseni uthando, welcoming kahle, khona naye ezoyibona esekhaya, efile at home. Catch us as Ikalabangwele on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, handle Ikalabangwele Ministries. Also don't forget to listen to our music on Spotify. We have something interesting for you to hear. Siyeni bazalwane, asiyeni bangcwele, siyojabula, sibe happy, siyoyibamba. Thank you for having me. Bye.